The AI-designed Isuzu MU-X exterior boasts a sleek and aerodynamic silhouette, carefully crafted to minimize drag and enhance fuel efficiency. The Isuzu MU-X body lines are fluid and dynamic, combining flowing curves with bold edges to create a harmonious yet assertive appearance. The front fascia, Isuzu MU-X, showcases a futuristic interpretation of Isuzu's signature grille, featuring an intricate pattern of geometric shapes. LED headlights with sleek, angular accents flank the grille, providing a sharp and focused illumination. The hood features subtle sculpting and aerodynamic vents, optimizing airflow and adding a touch of sportiness.